from London this time, not Geneva. Today is going to be a very special journey. I'm going from Geneva to London and from London to Goodwood, because today for the very first time I'm going to see the Goodwood factory, the home of Rolls Royce. It's just going to be very spectacular. So without waiting, let's get started. So we have just arrived right here in London, and we are just welcomed by this tremendous Rolls Royce Phantom in this British green. Check this out. Look at the inside as well. It's absolutely wonderful. The starlights as well. Wow. It's incredible. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, currently here in this Rolls Royce Phantom, as you can see. The first feeling that I'm going to maybe share, it's the real flying carpet is really here. We don't feel anything. You have maybe some bumps on the road, but it's that much smooth that you can just sleep in the car without feeling anything. And we're just currently on the way to Goodwood on the same time, so I'm maybe going to show you how it's everything in here, the options, and here are, I mean, the full list of options. Maybe we're not going to check all of them, but the most important options here aboard this wonderful, beautiful Rolls Royce Phantom. So it's full black inside, and you have dark green touches, and you have a lot of veneers as well all around the car, in the front, on the back as well, and some cool features that I'm going to show you right here. So you have a cool fridge, there it is, with two glasses for champagne, the crystal glass, there it is. And you have also some storage for the whole bottle in there. The second thing what I pretty like is another storage just right here. Check this out. You have the whiskey or cognac bottle and storage that is cooled, of course, with some great crystal glass with Rolls Royce inside, and this is how it looks. The full starlight that is just tremendous when you're cruising. Here have the veneer, as you can see, on the light, on the doors, and the most important thing that is totally brand new in the Phantom is the gallery that you can personalize and bespoke to your own tastes. And here are the whole options of the car, a lot of bespoke things, and the exterior color is dark green, like sort of British green as well on the same time. And you have this coach line. Maybe we're just going to pull over at the Goodwood factory so I can make you walk around the car. And yeah, you have this wonderful coach line that is crossing the whole car on the both sides, and this is very beautiful. It's like the British dark green that now we see more of these cars, I mean of these colors on the cars, but on the Rolls Royce Phantom is mega tremendous. So yeah, let's go to Goodwood, let's go to the home of Rolls Royce, and I'll see you there. So here we are, finally on the Rolls Royce home. There we go. Look at that, finally aboard this Phantom. It's beautiful, look at that. here I am at the home of Rolls Royce, as you can see, and I would like to show you for very quick this Phantom that I have been driven right here in Goodwood. So that's the Rolls Royce Phantom. Check this out, look how it shines, check out the paint color as well, beautiful, and the old coach line, it's mega beautiful, and the car, look how long it is. And this screen is absolutely beautiful, check this out. And for the inside, this is how it looks as well. Mega tremendous, mega beautiful. Here is the inside of Rolls Royce, and we've just welcomed by this 1933 very old Royce, and this is how it looks the inside as well. Do the best that exists and make it better. Still Penguin Rolls. And obviously the all new Cullinan, welcoming the launch color and another Phantom as well. After the whole way from Geneva with the beautiful Phantom, special green, here is the home of Rolls, the plant and the whole assembly line, as you can see, sorry, and you can hear anything. It's absolutely very calm, very quiet. They're taking the time. It's Rolls Royce, you don't need to hurry, you don't need to rush, and this is how it looks in real. So now we're just going to go at the Bespoke area and then to see how it looks more in deep just here downstairs. So we're now at the Bespoke area, like a small Bespoke area, because we have the atelier on the other side. So you have some different proposition of what we can do on the body, with the paint. Everything here is like, just to grab you the attention, all the lines, everything here has been done by hand. So you can personalize, we can do that. We've never seen a car like this, but this is some of the options that we can do. And on the Bespoke, just part right here, you have also the TV, how everything has been done, polished and painted. And you have more specifications about the coach lines, about the Bespoke. This is actually a miniature of what we had some previous years ago at the Geneva's Mother Show. This is the diamond dust that has been mixed with the paint as well. You do have the whole coach lining, everything is done by hand, and you can add some animals, some statues, some other Legos of your choice. And one history right here has been realized, maybe you saw the dome, the famous pink dome. A customer came, I would like to do a color of this flower, and Rolls Royce just made it. As well, you can personalize your color. You'd like this red, and it can belongs to you, and you can write a name only for your color, and no one else can take it to you. Just have an example of how the gallery is made. This is an anti-dust area, and the glass that is protecting the gallery has been mega clean with any dust. And this is the whole box, sort of, the room that everything here is made before that we close the gallery. So here is one of the most important parts of the assembly of Rolls. On one side you have the whole V12 engine that is just right here on this yellow machine. about 1 million euro around, but this is not the most important. The whole engine goes right through here, and here have the collision just for this example. And both parts are getting together, and this is what is called the marriage. You have this plate that reminds the marriage actually, and it comes right under, and it's fixed with only 12 bolts, and the car is here. Currently on the store lights, as you've seen on the Phantom, it also got the store lights roof, ceiling, and here how it looks on the other side. You have 1,240 small points, and every single store is done by hand, put by hand, cut by hand, and at the end glued by hand. So this is the whole like small atelier, and you can see some other ones if we go on that way, or just lie down, and at the back you have of one of the Phantom as well, and this is one of the port, and this is how it's on the other side as well. And when you light, it can change the not the colors, but it can change the shades, the shapes, depending where you're watching. This is like the real stars on the sky. After seeing the whole factory, the whole plant, now is everything where you can bespoke, design, and do everything. Like for example, starting with the gallery, you can do everything on bespoke. Look at the room, how many choices you can do. Even the steering wheel, you can choose everything what you want to personalize, to do, to bespoke with your own taste. And this is all of the features. You have the woods, you have all materials, all the leathers. You have even a special box, embroideries. And this, if you might remember from the Geneva Motor Show a few years ago, it's the Serenity with the Phantom 7. And you can have a lot of things. You can have here the coach line with the special logo as you wish. And as we've seen just later on, the black badge carbon fiber. But what I love to do here is all this sort of, it's not the 44,000 colors that we might have here, but you can already choose your main color or even the G-tones model. For example, you like the red top, so you take the red top, and then you can pick something, the bottom top, and you can match with the card, and this is how it looks. And if you don't like, you can choose with plenty other colors, as you can see this, and you can match everything what you really need. So you like the yellow with blue, I don't know, is that gonna match? Why not? And you do your own personal rolls. Exactly the same thing with the gallery as I've shown you. So you have some samples right here, coach lights, you have also some samples. It's unlimited. The Bespoke doesn't have any limit. And here you have all the stitchings, the leathers, and also some embroideries and coach lines. So this is absolutely mega cool if you'd like to personalize from 0 to 100% your own car from bottom to the top. And if, for example, you like this color and you're just wondering how is that gonna look like in the desert or in the mountains, we have just right here a very special light that I'm going to show to you. So you put the car here, you have this very special light that represents all the different the different lights of the world. And actually you can choose how your car is going to look like in Dubai, in United States, in Geneva, in Switzerland, and this is how you can find your perfect color matching up to you, and all around the world this is how it looks. So I'm currently at the Goodwood studio, where all the cars, I mean not all the cars, but you can make the reveal of the cars in this place on a very special scenography. And starting here, we do have this special chase, the champagne chase, with glasses, and that you can fit 2 bottles in there. But check out this room. We also have some specifications, some bespokes, things that you can choose once again with the leather, the veneers, and all the other bespokes options. But here is all the reveal. As you can see, we do have this wonderful Rolls Royce Dawn black badge, and with all the lights all around. This is one of the greatest room right here. Look at the inside also, by the way, with orange, black, and this carbon fiber typically for the black badge versions. And there you can make the car revealing inside of this place. It's very, very magnificent. You sit here and you actually you can reveal your personal car just in the front and go right after it. So yeah, the visit at the factory ends right here. It was absolutely great, beautiful, and perfect. And for just to getting back at the airport, I'm just going to take on board this beautiful Rolls Royce Dawn black badge. Check this out for very, very quick. Here it is, black satin, beautiful rims, and all black and red interior. It's just so beautiful as well, and very aggressive for the Rolls Royce Dawn black badge. And here it ends. So yeah, after the whole day starting this morning in Geneva, I am now finding myself at the London Gatwick, at the airport, going back to Geneva. I really hope that you guys appreciated everything what happened today at the Rolls Royce factory. I've shown you everything what I could. I couldn't show you everything obviously, but the most important part, the bespoke specification, the atelier, the reveal showroom, and everything what I could. So I really hope that you guys appreciated everything. So yeah, stay tuned as always, because we never know what can happen next, what car I can take, or maybe any other surprises. So yeah, obviously stay tuned. I wish you to have a very great day, and I see you next time. Bye.